O-ring type drive chain maintenance procedure for RTR. For maintaining the drive chain of your vehicle is necessary for a smooth ride and better mileage. Drive chain is an essential part of the vehicle that transmits the power of engine to rear wheel via sprockets. During regular usage of the vehicle, drive chain gets loosened or elongated due to wear and tear of drive chain and sprockets. Drive chain and sprockets wear out is also accelerated by the dusty and humid environment, poor road condition, overloading, lack of maintenance. Excessive slackness of chain causes chain noise, and tight chain reduces mileage, pickup and smooth ride feel. Poor maintenance of the chain causes premature wear and damage to the drive chain and sprockets. To get better vehicle performance, drive chain must be cleaned, checked, lubricated and adjusted as per recommended schedule. Drive chain slack should be checked and adjusted, if necessary, every 1000 kilometers. The slackness of drive chain should be within 20 to 25 mm. When operated at sustained high speeds or under conditions of frequent rapid acceleration, the chain may require more frequent adjustment. Let us know how to check the drive chain slackness. Place the vehicle on center stand with the gear in neutral. Inspect the drive chain slackness using the finger as shown here. The slackness of drive chain should be within 20 to 25 mm. To adjust the chain slackness, loosen the rear axle nut. Loosen the chain adjuster bolts on both sides of the swing arm. Adjust the adjuster bolts on both the sides so that the graduation marks are even on both the sides. Once the desired slackness is achieved, tighten the rear axle nut. Rotate the wheel and check that the slackness is even on various points. Tighten the rear axle nut to specified torque. Clean and lubricate O-ring type drive chain of RTR at every 500 kilometers. Helps smoother operations, slows down the wear on other parts, saving time, money and hassle. Now let us know how to clean and lubricate the drive chain. Keep the vehicle on center stand in neutral gear. Required materials: good quality gloves, Motul chain cleaner, true spray, chain cleaning brush and waste cloth. Open small sprocket cover and clean the dirt with the help of diesel and brush. Spray the chain cleaner evenly on the chain by rotating the rear wheel. After spraying, clean the chain with help of brush to remove dirt. Do not use metal wire brush as it can cause damage to O-rings. Wipe out the excess amount of cleaner with the help of waste cloth. With the help of true spray, lubricate the chain by rotating the rear wheel by hand in forward direction. Let the vehicle park for 10 to 15 minutes. Please remember, always wear gloves for protection of hands. Always use the chain lube or chain cleaner with extension pipe. For RTR, inspect the chain guide bottom and its bushes for any damage or deformation. If found any, replace the guide or bushes with new one. Please remember, the chain guide bottom must be replaced at every 9,000 kilometers, irrespective its condition. Never apply grease on O-ring chains for lubrication. Do not start or keep the vehicle in geared condition while chain maintenance. Do not use a steam cleaner, a high pressure cleaner, a wire brush, non-recommended solvent, or abrasive cleaner for your vehicle's drive chain cleaning. That can damage the part. Let us see the chain cleaning machine for only non-O-ring chain maintenance. This cleaning cum lubricator machine can clean and lubricate all types of non-O-ring chain. As in this machine, lubrication is done with molten grease. It increases smoothness and life of drive chain. But it is not recommended for maintenance of any O-ring type chain.